top of the morning USA. If you are seeing this message, lock all doors and windows immediately. There have been sightings of partly skinned dogs in residential areas. Please see shelter behind a large furniture or underneath a bed. If there are small children or infants in the house, hide them in a room that you are not in if they make a noise. The dogs will get them. Do not have them in the same room as you. It is unnecessary risk. If you hear pounding on your door from a relative or friend, do not open the door for them. It is a trap. People who open our stuff before they become skinless, useless body parts. Tell them to go somewhere else and seek shelter such as cars, grocery store, and police station. They do not leave. Go into a different room and wait for them to leave, or the dogs turn them into useless. I know this will be hard, but there are cases of these dog owners and their dogs turning against them. They become a part of the skins after owners have turned into useless body parts. Make sure you have supplies that will last you 2 to 6 weeks. We are assuming this is how long it will take to get rid of these skin dogs. If you see skin dogs in your area, share this broadcast with any family members and friends. It is vital that anyone who can see this message take Safi